Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are watching me from. Which country are you watching from? Don't forget, my name still remains Digital Chief. So on this video, I want to teach you how you can place a Facebook ads without having any issue. I know it has been a very difficult one for most people, finding it difficult to place an advert, sponsored ads. Yes, most times you will see a post on your page suggesting that you post it, and when you click it, that is the end. You will now start asking yourself, how can I do this? Is it that I cannot do it? Yes, you can't do it. So that is why I am here for you now, to show you how you can do it. But what can you do for me before I move further? All you can do for me right now is to follow me on this page and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yes, go to my YouTube channel and subscribe, Jomo TV Online, and also subscribe to Jomo Global TV, because I will be also uploading good updates like this every Wednesdays and Fridays. If you have been finding it difficult to place sponsored ads on Facebook, yes, this is the video for you to watch. You don't have to bother yourself anymore. After watching this video and you still find it difficult, all you need to do is to join my WhatsApp class, where you will learn unlimited courses about how you can manage your social media and how you can also do things that are difficult for you to do. So moving forward, I am going to be showing us how we can do that. Now, you grab your smartphone first. Get your smartphone. That is the first thing, and make sure you have a smartphone. For you to place these ads with your smartphone, make sure you have your smartphone. So the first thing I will need to tell you here is that you need to have a Facebook profile that is up to 30 days and above, not the one you created today or just now. You need to have a Facebook profile that is up to 30 days and above, just like the one I'm showing you right now. Yes, this is a Facebook profile. Oh, sorry. Okay, so this is a Facebook profile. This is a Facebook profile. So for you to boost your posts, you need to first of all have a Facebook profile. This is a Facebook profile. You need to have a Facebook profile. Then after that, then the page that you want to boost. Remember that Facebook profile is different from page. Yes, Facebook profile is different from pages, business pages. Your business page is where you can place a sponsored ads, and your Facebook profile is where you will place the ads from. Now, this is an example of pages. When I click here, wait, okay, when I click here, it will bring you to this place, and click on pages. So this is an example of Facebook page. It's loading. Yes, so now let's get to sponsored ads. Then you have to download an app called Meta Ads Manager. Go to your Play Store on your Android phone or your iOS. On your iOS, you should go to Play Store on Google Play Store. That is for Android. Then on your iOS, you go to App Store. So you go to your Play Store, you search for Meta Ads Manager. So this is the app. I already have it on this phone, so you need to download it to your phone. So as I already have it on this phone, what I will do now is to open it. Okay, so this is it. If you have not placed any ads before, all these things you are seeing here will not show. If it's your first time of using the app, what you are seeing here now will not show on your app. So what do you need to do next to start creating your sponsored ads? All you need to do is, you see this place where there is a green circle and a white plus inside. So the next thing you should do is to click on that plus. Okay, now if you have multiple pages that are assigned to that your profile, look at where this page is now. Click on the drop down button that is there to select the particular page that you want to run your sponsored ads on. So when you click on that button, it will show you the list of pages that are under your profile. So once it shows you the list of pages that are under your profile, next thing you should do is select the page that you want to boost your post from. So what you need to do next is to click on this green plus button. When you click on it, it will bring you to where your pages are, like as I already said before. So here now, there are different marketing objectives. So it's now left for you to select the one that you want to work with. There is post engagement, for you to get more people to see and engage with your post. There is video views, for you to promote your video to get people's attention. That's for people to see the video you posted on your page. There is a website traffic, for you to send more people to your website. That is for website owners like bloggers or people that are selling products from an e-commerce website. Then there is a reach, which is for your ads to show to maximum number of people who are on Facebook and Instagram. Then there is message, the message is for your ads to get to for people who see your ads to be able to contact you on WhatsApp, Messenger or Instagram. Then there is page likes, for you to get more people to like your page. So now you have to select one from this list. That depends on what you really want and the result you want to get. For example, if I am dealing with videos like the one I'm doing now, and I want more people to view my video, what I will select is video views. When you select it, it will take you to your page to select the video you want to promote. Okay, so let's select a random video from here. Let's choose a random video from here. Let's just say this. This is it. After I have highlighted the video I want to promote, there is this forward arrow that is here. I click on it. Then it brings you to the next. On that next window, you will see where they wrote primary text. You see special ads category. You see placements. You see Instagram account. That is if there is an Instagram account linked to that page. Then this is how your video ads sponsored ads will display on Facebook. So now, where they wrote primary text, you should click there to edit whatever it's written there to what you want people to actually see. If you highlight it, you can write what you really want people to see. You see, you write it. So at this place where they write special ads category, I will advise you leave it like that. Then you come to placement. Click on placement. When you click on placement, it is for you now to select your audience. I will advise you if you don't know how to set up an audience, you can leave it at that automatic ads plus advantage plus placement, which is recommended for people who does not know how to select audience. So back to the other side. This is your Instagram account. Everything is set. You go to the next, which is where your audience has been selected. Next one is you selecting payment and duration of your ads. The duration of your ads determines the amount you are going to pay for your ads. Yes, that determines the amount Facebook will deduct from your ads account. So thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to share this video. That's the only thing you can do for me for now. Then if you have more questions, hit me up on WhatsApp. If you still want to learn more deep things about social medias, you can hit me up on WhatsApp and join my WhatsApp classes, which is unlimited, which is where I will teach you until you learn and know how to handle it yourself. So on my next video, I will be teaching you how to fund your ads account. Do me a favor, share this video everywhere. Share it on groups, share it on WhatsApp, share it on your Facebook pages, share it everywhere. Continue share, click on the share button and share it, and I'll still update you more. Don't forget to like and comment. Ask your questions and I'll be open to always answer your questions. Thank you.